The culture of Europe is rooted in the art, architecture, film, different type of music, literature, philosophy that originated from the continent of Europe. Countries like Italy, France, and Spain exhibit most unique culture in the world. Art. European art began with carvings and cave paintings in the Paleolithic era. With the rise of Greek Empire and Greek classical art and architecture influenced later European art for centuries. Medieval art can be broadly categorized into the Byzantine art of the Eastern Roman Empire. Renaissance artists painted a wide variety of themes. Religious altarpieces, fresco cycles, and small works for private devotion were very popular. Then Impressionism came, following which art began to develop, and today abstract art, cubism, etc. are a part of modern art. Music. In early medieval and Renaissance period, only classical music was famous. In modern period, Europe has a wide range of folk music which has influenced some other popular music in Europe. There are many other forms like jazz, hip hop, soul, blues, etc. Traditional festivals. Number 1. The Tomatina Festival. It is one of the most famous festivals of Spain. In this event, people throw tomatoes at each other, and it is held on last Wednesday of August. Number 2. The Lavender Mob in France. The festival begins with a firework display over the river and is followed by 4 days of lavender-themed festivities. Parades, marching bands, floats covered in mayflowers, and a nighty ball in the main square of this spa town. Number 3. Carnival of Venice. It is one of the biggest festivals in Europe, with endless parties and events across the city. There is a water parade competition inspired by old Venetian tradition, a grand ball, and a popularity contest for masked designs. Number 4. San Fermin. This is a one-week traditional festival in Europe. Almost 1 million people come to the city to participate in the various festivities such as San Fermin procession, the Struendo, when people gather to play drums, pots, pans, and the closing somber ceremony of Pobre de Mi. However, the festival is renowned for the running of bulls. There are many festivals like Carnival of Ivrea, Dead Good Fun, Mad for Folk, Tomorrowland Festival, etc.